Hello everybody. What's up, soul family? Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna work. Nope. I was hoping it would. Okay, so cool clouds, light off in the background, but it's so cool to stare right into. Let's see if right. Stare into the leaves where the sun comes through the trees in the background and just find a way to melt into it like it's a 3-minute video and see how much of the sun you can see through the tree. Because every once in a while the tree will let you see the way it sees because it's seeing all the light. But anyway, enjoy the magic that this world offers. Nature is full of bliss. It just doesn't happen at super fast speeds necessarily. It could. It happens frame by frame when you put pause on whatever outside reality and go in, ground, and then look out and let the universe look through you out at what it sees. You know, because the one seeing made that tree. It designed it. Another one seeing it planned where to put it. I don't know, 20 years ago, 50 years ago. Somebody maintained it, fed it. All those people involved. But more so the tree stood its ground for 20, 30, 40, 50 years. It just enjoyed life. Every day. This is what living eternal life is about. Living every day for the day. And then in the evening, the whole thing. But pause on your life and let nature show you a different kind of movie for a moment. Do this every day, and nature will become your friend. And then you'll hear when the trees talk to you. Most especially if you give them a hug and then sit down at their trunk and take a nap. Have a dream with the tree. Much love and light.